We're now going to this breaking piece of information that we are getting on the Joint Parliamentary Committee that has been set up for the Waqf Amendment Bill. Now we are learning that BJP MP Nishikant Dubey has moved a resolution in the committee meeting of the JPC for the term of the committee to be extended and that the panel may submit its report before Parliament in the first week of the upcoming budget session. As per sources, we are learning that after the resolution has been moved, opposition MPs will return to the committee meeting. Let me take this across to my colleague Payal Mehta, who's joining us on the broadcast. Payal, what is expected now after this sort of a resolution has been moved by a member of the Bharatiya Janata Party?
Well, of course, Griya, why did the opposition today boycott? Because they basically felt that their voice was not being heard, they were not given opportunities, and the correct people who were supposed to depose before the committee were not being called as well. So they were demanding an extension, because of which they had met the Lok Sabha Speaker a couple of days ago. But today, BJP's Member of Parliament, Senior Member of Parliament Nishikant Dubey has moved a resolution just a short while ago in the committee saying that we need to deliberate and discuss this more, and that's the reason we need an extension as well. So he's moved a resolution. That resolution, however, Jagdambika Pal, the committee chairman, through his office will send to the Lok Sabha Speaker, because this is the ruling party now also supporting the demand for an extension. And once the Lok Sabha Speaker takes it under consideration, he will be announcing an extension of the committee. So the extension of the committee will happen because, the term of the committee to submit its report has been for the first week of the, first week of this ongoing session of Parliament. But the extension of the committee will also be announced by the Lok Sabha Speaker on the floor of the House. So having said what has been done so far, the government and the ruling side is hopeful that the opposition will return back to the discussion table and deliberate upon the bill with greater detail. Because remember, multiple pages of response has gone into this. In fact, the committee chairman held a 2-hour meeting just about a couple of days ago with the officials from both the Ministry of Law and Justice and the Ministry of Minority Affairs to deliberate further into the bill. And the bill has taken about 27 or 28 meetings so far and multiple days of meeting to other states as well.
Okay.
But, the good news for the opposition parties is that their demands are more or less met, because it is now going to be, the ball is going to be in the court of the Lok Sabha Speaker to decide whether he wants to give an extension or not. But because what Nishikant Dubey has been saying, that we need to give an extension to the committee to submit its report by the first week of the upcoming budget session of Parliament, which will be in sometime in January, end of February, first week.
Right, Payal, thank you so much for all of those details.